by the way, Zach, this is you, dude. All you. Not us, you. This is all you, dude. Zach, I'm sorry, bro, but this is all you right now, dude. I swear to God, dude, this is funny as shit. You are snoring your ass off. Dude, I told you it was all you snoring. You never snore my ass.